Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices, charge the keyboard, then power it on so it's responsive. On the iPad, open Settings, tap Bluetooth, and keep the Bluetooth screen visible so pairing prompts appear immediately. Next, put the keyboard into pairing mode, hold its pairing button until the LED blinks rapidly. This tells both devices to seek connections. Once done, watch the iPad's device list. The keyboard should appear. If it does, tap its name to start pairing. This initiates the secure exchange. You now handle the common mid-process glitches. If the keyboard previously paired, forget that device in Bluetooth settings to reset the cached link. Next, toggle Bluetooth off and on. Make sure to restart both the keyboard and the iPad if discovery stalls. Reboots clear temporary software states. Move closer, within about 3 meters, and remove phone cases or metal objects that cause interference. Once you retry pairing, monitor the iPad for a passkey or confirmation prompt, then accept to finish by confirming the status. The keyboard should display connected under Bluetooth on the iPad. You then test typing, open Notes and type a few lines to check responsiveness and latency. Make sure special keys, like home or layout toggles, behave as expected. Adjust keyboard settings in General Keyboard if needed. If pairing repeatedly fails, reset the keyboard to factory defaults per its manual. This wipes stale settings and often resolves persistent issues. Then repeat the pairing steps from the start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.